Hello friend, in this video I'm going to show you how to downgrade your Amazon Seller Central account professional to individual. So let's start. You can see here gear icon, then click account info. You see my history status. You can see account management, then click here. Then account management section, you can find downgrade account. Now selling on account tab. Here you see three active countries: Canada, Mexico, United States. You can now check all are professional. Now click individual. Then apply change. Then yes, downgrade. Now all of my selling account are successfully downgraded. Successfully submitted change. It may take 15 minutes. Thanks for watching this video. If you think this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.